everyone, this is a video about how to make your annotations in e-learning or e-school. Now we know in normal school, this is what your annotations would look like, right? You would write on the paper you receive an up arrow if you have a positive reaction and it has a positive connotation, or a down arrow if it has a negative reaction or negative connotation. Remember, you then also need to write why it's negative or positive next to it. However, we can't do that in eSchool because there's no paper. So what we're going to do is use the comment feature in Google Classroom. So whenever I'm in a Google document, I can still make annotations using the comment feature. So what I'm going to do is first read the text and find a spot where I have a reaction. The shooting of Jacob Blake. Boy, I have a very negative reaction. It hurts me to think that somebody was shot. So I'm going to highlight the text that I would like to make an annotation on. So just like here, this person underlined the text their annotation is about. We're going to do the same thing. We're going to highlight it. So I've highlighted it by right-clicking and dragging. And then I want to leave a comment. So up here, you'll see next to the paperclip and next to the picture, in between you'll see a little box, like a caption box, with a plus sign. And then if you hover over it, it'll say add comment. You can also see you can just click Control-Alt-M to add a comment, but I'm going to do this a little quicker and click the plus sign. So I've highlighted it, I'm clicking the plus sign, and it's going to highlight it in yellow, and then it's going to allow me to leave a comment right here. So for up, down, Y annotations, remember I need to notice a part of the text you're having a strong feeling to. I highlighted it. What is that feeling? Positive, negative, or both? And then tell me why. So I've highlighted the part I have a feeling to, and this is negative, which is a down arrow. So we can't do arrows in here, so instead I'm going to just write the word down. Okay? If I had a positive reaction, I would just literally write the word up. But I have a negative reaction, so I'm going to write down, and then I'm going to say why. It is terrible whenever someone is a victim of a shooting. Okay, I'm going to hit enter, or I'm going to click comment. Whoops, can't hit enter it looks like, so I need to hit comment, and then it will be there. And whenever I go to another section, it's going to stay annotated, and you will see it's over here on the side. So you know it worked if you can see it on the side. That's all there is to it.